Good morning, dear students. You're welcome to your English class. It's a pleasure for me to be here with you in this new day. Muy buenos días, queridos estudiantes. Sean ustedes bienvenidos a la clase de inglés. Es un placer para mí estar nuevamente aquí con ustedes, chicos. Muy bien. As you know, today starts with the third unit, and this is our first lesson. Como ustedes saben, comenzamos el día de hoy la tercera unidad y esta es nuestra primera lección. So let's start. Ok, Unit 3, Saving Our Planet. Unidad número 3. Vamos a salvar a nuestro planeta. Listen to the radio announcement about water access around the world and say yes or not according to what is said. Okay? So, this is an incredible test about many people around the world live without safe water. This is a cruel reality of a lot of people in extreme poverty. So in this moment, you are going to listen, and when you're finished listening this audio, you have to answer this question, not question, their expression that you have to say if is it yes or not, or is false, is true or false. Okay, but you have to complete it with yes or not. Okay, according with this test. Can you imagine life without safe water to drink? For millions of people, it's a daily reality. Okay, I'm gonna play the audio. Listen carefully, please.
Unit 3, Audio 10, Listening, page 30.
Can you imagine life without safe water to drink? For millions of people, it's a daily reality. We believe everyone has the right to have clean water to drink and a safe place to go to the toilet. When people have these things, they can lead healthy, dignified, and productive life. But this often isn't the case. 663 million people around the world still live without safe water, and 2.4 billion people do not have access to a decent toilet. Women and girls suffer the most, often having to make a long walk to collect water that stops them from going to school, earning a living, and achieving their dreams. At WaterAid, we tackle the reasons why millions of the world's poorest people live without these vital services and work with local partners in 37 countries to transform millions of lives every year by improving access to safe water, sanitation, and hygiene. We also campaign tirelessly to make sure that taps and toilets are at the top of the political agenda, and that governments recognize that access to safe water and sanitation is crucial to eradicating poverty.
Very good, dear students. According with this test, 663 million people around the world live without safe water. This is true or this is false? Yes, right? In this case, but it often isn't the case. 663 million people around the world still live without a safe water. So, this statement is true. Yes. Letter B. 3 billion people do not have access to decent toilet. 3 billion? No, right? Is 2.4 billion people do not have access to a decent toilet. Okay? This is not true. This is false. Okay? Letter C. Men and boys suffer the most? No, right? It's women and girls suffer the most. So in this case, this is false. Letter D. Sanitation is crucial to eradicating poverty? Yes. According with this paragraph, sanitation is crucial to eradicating poverty. Right? So this is a sentence is true. This is yes. Let's continue. Okay. In your notebook, you have to take now, when finish the video, you have to take out your notebook and you have to write the title, Saving Our Planet. What is the first activity that you have to do? You have to make a summary. Vas a hacer un resumen, okay? When your own ideas, or when your own words, con tus propias palabras, por favor, no me vas a copiar el texto. ¿ok? Porque voy a leer tu texto, que es lo que vas a escribir en el cuaderno, por favor, ¿ok? You make a summary and then you have to write the main idea y colocar la idea principal de este texto, ¿ok? If you don't understand, you can ask me, ¿ok? Pues si no entiendes, puedes preguntarme. Or if you want, you have to look for the meaning of these words in Google Translator, ¿ok? No problem, ¿ok? As you want, como tú gustes. Okay, let's continue. Vocabulary and speaking. This is a new vocabulary. Look at the activities we can do to save our world, right? Okay. What can we do to save our world? ¿Qué podemos hacer para salvar nuestro planeta? Okay. This is a vocabulary that you have to use. Okay. Este es un vocabulario que vas a utilizar. The first one says, save water. Save water. ¿Qué significa? Ahorrar el agua. Recycle rubbish. Recycle rubbish. Reciclar la basura. Recycle rubbish. Don't use a lot of chemical materials like a fertilizer and aerosol. No utilizar mucho material químico como fertilizantes o aerosoles. ¿Ok? Teach children to care about the earth. Enseñar a los niños a cuidar la tierra. ¿Ok? Save energy. También ahorrar la energía. Respect nature. Respetar a la naturaleza. Switch off electronic equipment. Apagar, ¿no? Los aparatos electrónicos cuando no los estamos utilizando. Use often public transportation. Utilizar transporte público. Okay, repeat after me, please. Save water. Recycle rubbish. Don't use a lot of chemical materials like fertilizer and aerosols. Teach children to take care about the earth. Save energy. Respect nature. Switch off electronic equipment. Use often public transportation. Okay, when finish this video, I'm gonna ask you, what can we do to save our world? Okay, you have to remember at least 3. Okay, 3 of the vocabulary. Cuando termine el video, voy a preguntar ¿qué podemos hacer para salvar el planeta, a nuestro planeta Tierra? Y tú por lo menos me dirás 3 del vocabulario en forma oral, ¿ok? Your participation is orally, ¿ok? Is orally. So, the next activity. Working pairs, use the vocabulary given to answer what will people do to save our planet. Muy bien, en este caso no estamos en el colegio, como no estamos en el salón, no vamos a trabajar en parejas. So, en esto vamos a utilizar por eso la actividad previa que hemos tenido, la actividad previa. Y dice, what will people do to save our planet? ¿Qué harán las personas para salvar el planeta? People will switch off their electronic equipment when they are using it. ¿Ok? En este caso te voy a hacer yo la pregunta, what will people do to save our planet? So you answer, you have to use the previous vocabulary. Y tú deberás responder con este vocabulario. ¿Ok? Your participation, remember, is orally, no writing. ¿Ok? Okay, dear student, that's all for today.